Have you ever struggled to express yourself in English or wondered how to improve your communication skills quickly? Do you want to improve your English communication skills and speak confidently in any situation? Whether preparing for job interviews, aiming to speak English fluently, or just looking for ways to boost communication skills fast, this video is here to help. Hello, I'm Maryann. In today's video, I will share effective English strategies and practical English tips to help you learn English quick and make notable progress. From daily English practice to writing tips for English learners, you will discover proven methods to expand your English vocabulary, improve listening skills, and even master pronunciation. We will also explore tools like English language apps and the benefits of language learning workshops to accelerate your growth. Whether you are a beginner seeking communication tips or looking to improve your English for exams, these strategies are simple, actionable, and designed to fit your busy schedule. Ready to improve your English? Let's dive in and start your journey to confident English communication skills today. How often do you need to practice speaking to see significant improvement? The good news is that even small chunks of action each day can lead to significant and noticeable improvement. This flexibility tactics can be adapted to your unique learning style and pace, giving you the power to shape your learning journey. So let's get started and take control of your learning. The number one tip on my list is practicing speaking is essential to improve your English communication skills. Finding a language partner you want to learn is an effective way to do this. This way you can utilize speaking with a native speaker or someone fluent in English. Having a language partner can be beneficial because it allows you to practice speaking more naturally and spontaneously. You can discuss interesting topics such as current events, your favorite hobbies, or even your plans with these people. Moreover, many online platforms and apps connect you with language learners worldwide. You can practice speaking with them by video calls, voice or text, or in-person meetings. So, take the first step today and find a language partner to improve your speaking skills fast. Then the second on my list is listening skills are crucial to improving your English communication skills. When you pay attention to native speakers, you can pick up on their intonation, rhythm, and pronunciation, which can help you improve your speaking skills. One way to improve your listening skills is to consume English media such as podcasts, TV shows, or movies. It will expose you to different accents, vocabulary, and grammar more engagingly and entertainingly. What's your favorite English podcast, TV show, or movie? Drop your recommendations below for others to explore. You can start by listening to podcasts on the topics that interest you, such as news, education, and entertainment. Summarize what you have heard and note any new vocabulary or expressions as you listen. Watching TV shows with English subtitles can also help you upgrade your listening skills. You can start with TV shows or movies with more straightforward language and gradually move on to more complex ones. So, make listening a part of your daily routine and you will significantly improve your English communication skills. What's your biggest challenge when learning English? I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. The third one on my list is expanding your vocabulary is vital to improve your English communication skills. One effective way to do this is by reading books, articles, or online content that interests you. Reading can help you learn new words, phrases, and expressions in context, which can improve your comprehension and vocabulary. You can start by reading short articles, blog posts, or news headlines, and then move on to more complex texts. Another benefit of reading is that it helps you improve your writing skills. Reading different writing styles and genres lets you learn how to structure your writing using transitions and express your ideas more effectively. What's your favorite book? Drop your recommendations below for others to explore. So make reading a part of your daily routine and you will see improvements in your vocabulary and writing skills. If you are finding these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It will help more English learners discover these strategies. The fourth one on my list is writing practice is another essential skill for improving your English communication skills. Journaling can improve your writing skills, clarify your thoughts, and express your ideas more effectively. You can start by writing short entries. Another benefit of writing practice is that it can help you boost your writing style and voice. Writing more regularly lets you learn to organize your ideas, use transitions, and express yourself more confidently. Have you tried journaling before? Share your experiences in the comments below. It might inspire someone else. So take out your journal, open a writing app, and start writing today. Then the fifth one on my list is language learning apps can strengthen your English communication skills. These apps provide structured practice, track your progress, and offer feedback on your performance. One benefit of language learning apps is that they can help you stay motivated and determined to achieve your goals. By setting daily targets and monitoring your progress, you can see improvement in your English communication skills quickly. Moreover, many language learning apps offer interactive exercises, quiz, and games, making learning more captivating and fun. You can practice grammar, vocabulary, and listening skills more enjoyably, adding excitement to your learning journey. So, download a language learning app today and let the fun begin. Then the number 6 on my list is participating in local or online language workshops or classes can significantly improve your English communication skills. These workshops or classes provide guided learning, social interaction, and instructor feedback. One benefit of language workshops or classes is that they can help you stay motivated and determined. By learning with others, you can get support, encouragement, and feedback that can help you improve your English communication skills fast. Moreover, language workshops or classes provide a more structured approach to learning, which helps you stay on track and achieve your goals faster. So, search for local or online language workshops or classes today and start improving your English communication skills. And the seventh on my list is setting realistic goals, and regularly assessing progress is essential to improve your English communication skills. By setting SMART goals, which are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, you can stay focused on your goals, track your progress, and make adjustments as needed. This commitment to your learning journey will keep you motivated and on track. To stay motivated, you can set speaking, listening, reading, or writing goals and regularly analyze your progress. Another benefit of setting goals is that they also help you stay accountable and committed to your learning journey. By sharing your goals with a language partner or tutor, you can get support and encouragement to stay on track. Please take a moment to set one SMART goal for your English improvement and share it in the comments. I would love to cheer you on which of these strategies would work best for you. Let me know in the comments. In conclusion, the 7 strategies to improve your English communication skills fast are practicing speaking regularly, improving your listening skills, expanding your vocabulary, writing practice, using language learning apps, participating in language workshops or classes, and setting realistic goals. Consistent effort and practice are vital to improving your English communication skills. By including these strategies in your daily routine, you can see significant improvement in just few weeks. Share your progress on social media using #ConfidentEnglish with Maryann, and I might feature your story in an upcoming video. If you want more strategies like this, subscribe and hit the bell icon. In the next video, I will share tips on boost your English communication skills fast with these simple tips. Got a question about one of these strategies? Leave it in the comments below and I will reply or cover it in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching, and I will be seeing you in the following video. And Happy New Year to you all. Bye. Seasons come and go like thoughts of you, like a wave returns to the sea.